Teach Me TV. Back again with another video for you and yours. In today's video, we want to ask you a question. By a show of hands, do you have any idea what fintech is? I will give you 7 seconds to answer. Here is the definition for those who have no clue what I'm talking about. Fintech refers to integrating technology with financial service companies. What those companies are offering is to improve their use and delivery to you, the consumer. So, in a nutshell, anything that conveniences your life financially. If that doesn't give you a clear idea, here are the 4 categories of fintech companies you should be aware of. Digital lending, payments and billing, blockchain, and digital wealth management. Now that we have that all locked down, I will next explain how fintech makes money. Yes, money, and how you can make it as well. Fintech makes most of its money from subscriptions, third parties, and advertising. However, there are many more options for monetizing your product. Since most fintech companies are in their early stages, most focus on growth rather than profitability. That means it's a perfect time to get in on this $92 billion industry. Yes, that is almost 100 billion, but as this market starts to trend, here is where you can make your money. Just like this company that you are well familiar with, PayPal. We all know someone or have used PayPal in some way before. Whether you have made an online purchase, received or sent money to a family member. But, did you know PayPal is one of the whales in the fintech market, capitalizing on the digital wallet trend? Here are 7 fintech companies that you might have overlooked or had no idea even existed. The first company is Platt. Platt is focused on creating financial services through technology. They build reliable consumer experiences, developer-friendly infrastructure, and intelligent tools that allow everyone to create unique products that solve big problems. Platt lets you connect your financial accounts to your apps in seconds. When you want to share data from your financial accounts with an app, Platt works to transfer your data securely. The second company is Stash. Stash is a personal finance app that can help anyone improve their financial life. From budgeting to saving for retirement, Stash unites banking, investing, and advice all in one. That helps over 6 million reach their financial goals, all for one low monthly price. Stash is built for long-term investing, not day trading, so all of the market's transactions finalize during 4 weekly trading windows. Once your cash is in Stash, you can choose to invest it in fractional shares and ETFs. If that sounds like something you are interested in, hit the links in the description. The third company is Robinhood. Robinhood is almost the same functions as Stash. The interface on this app is much user-friendly. The difference between the two is that one has more partners than the other. Still, overall, the experience on both platforms should produce a profit for the individual with an investing strategy. Always have a plan before you make your money move. The fourth company is Chime. Chime is a financial technology company, founded on the idea that essential banking services should be helpful, easy, and free. Chime profits from their members, not from them. So their model doesn't rely on monthly service fees, minimum balance requirements. They partner with regional banks to design member-first financial products. This creates a more competitive market, lower cost options for everyday Americans who aren't served well by traditional banks. The fifth company is Credit Karma. Now everyone should know what Credit Karma is and what it does for you, but just in case you don't and are new to the finance world, go look it up. Just kidding. Credit Karma uses your credit profile to show you curated offers. Leveraging your credit can truly become an asset for you. Using this platform to track your credit score and resources to help you along the way. The sixth company is Wise. Now, this app is based on money transfers. Send money at the real exchange rate with no hidden fees. Use your account details to receive and manage your earnings. This platform is another excellent way to build wealth. Statistics say Wise moves over 8 billion yearly. Now that is a lot of cash. The last but not least is Stripe. Stripe is one of my favorites, being that this company brings together everything required to build websites and apps that accept payments and send payouts globally. Stripe's products power payments for online and in-person retailers. Stripe makes moving money as simple, borderless, and programmable to make your money work for you. Now this is when you invest into some of these companies. Most of these companies are trading on the stock exchange right now. Do your research and go with your gut. We are not saying for you to buy a bunch of stock in every fintech company. We are simply suggesting that you take a look into fintech and how you can profit from a simple investment. You must have your eggs in several baskets. Solely depending on one form of income stream is a recipe for disaster. This is why here at Teach Me TV we want you to be well informed. How you do that is by signing up to the Build Cash newsletter for more tips and tricks. If you learned something today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell as well to receive updates on when we drop another video. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.